The Amity universe is made up of top-ranking institutes, colleges and schools in India. It is famous for world-class infrastructure, state-of-the-art technology, widespread international links and excellent placements. Amity caters to all age groups with a special chain of preschools known as Amion. They also run a few programs for the underprivileged kids which are known as Amitasha and Atulasha.
Absolutely at a loss of words to describe my journey with Gruen. It has been an absolutely amazing journey in which I've learned a lot of things about sustainable development as well as about myself. More on a larger and broader perspective, the Gruen project has made me realize what a global platform for the youth can do for the entire earth. That is, the youth are the change makers of tomorrow. We are going to be the people who are going to make the important decisions for the generation which is upcoming. So that is why it's important for us to train ourselves in this decision making task from the absolute beginning, and that's why I think that the Gruen project is absolutely wonderful and a must do for all high school children.
Thank our chairperson ma'am, Dr. Amita Chauhan ma'am, and our founder sir, Dr. Ashok Chauhan sir, for bestowing us with this wonderful opportunity and for always giving us these platforms to portray our talent and skills. They've always motivated us and encouraged us to do better in life and reach the zenith of our careers in life in the future. We at Amity follow BHAG. The acronym stands for Behavior, Hard Work, Aptitude, Attitude and God. We have imbibed all these values and abided by them and have implemented and reciprocated these values into what we call our Gruen City.
My name is Angad and I'm extremely grateful to Gruen for providing us with this platform to express our ideas and opinions on this related matter. We're at the verge of the 6th mass extinction Earth has ever seen. However, unlike the previous 5, this one has been created by the ones who are vulnerable. That is because of man-made climate change. Therefore, this event has led me to use my interest in engineering and technology to create a futuristic city which is both sustainable and economically viable at the same time. This will further ensure our economic development and also preserve and protect our natural ecosystem for generations to come.
The Green Urban Environments project has been a great learning experience for all of us. It has broadened my perspective and my entire team's perspective on sustainability. From identifying criterion to judge the sustainability of cities, to evaluating our own city, New Delhi, in regards to sustainability, and finally coming up with our own proposal of our idealistic green urban city, it has been an amazing learning journey. From interacting with like-minded peers from across the world, getting to know their understanding of sustainability and their proposals of their idealistic green urban city and new innovations, we've deepened our learning and broadened our perspective on how we perceive sustainability. For this wonderful opportunity, we'd like to thank our principal, the school principal, Mrs. Amita Mohan, and our German teacher, Mr. Abhishek Arthur, and of course, the entire Green Urban Environment team. Thank you, Gruen.